You are highly blessed and welcome. I thank you for stopping by. This my beautiful channel. You will never regret subscribing to it. And let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Ekene, and then I come from Nigeria. I'm an Igbo man from Enugu State, and I live in Germany, in Hanover district. I will be focusing on the matters concerning Nigeria. In fact, I will be speaking Igbo most of the times, but I will be speaking also English, especially when I want to do language tutorial, because I want people who want to learn my language to also learn my language, which is Igbo language class. So I will be doing that in this channel, and then I will be saying and voicing and airing my mind over what is going on in my country called Nigeria. As far as I'm concerned, we are still a Nigeria citizen. Though I live in Germany, having German citizen does not take away the Igbo blood in me, the Igbo accent in me. I remain your beloved brother. So this channel is specially dedicated to Nigerians or Africans, more specifically to the Igbos. If you want to learn the Igbo language, I will be glad to offer my own contribution, which I'm already doing, that I will gear up more. These days I've been reluctant due to other things that are before me that I also does for a living. But for the moment, I want to gear up. I want to speed up. So I beg you to subscribe. I beg you to also share and write how I can improve, what you want to watch, what you want me to do in this channel. I want to build a community. I want to build audience that will also work with me, or that we can as well work together. Again, I will be speaking more Igbo in this channel. I will be sharing Igbo dialects of all kinds, anything that I think I know. I will be also speaking broken so that it becomes more of Africa. Abụ m EKENE IGBO, ana m asụ Igbo. Ana m asụkwa obere Yoruba, mana being that this is for Igbo people, my aims are also voiced in other channel. But here, thank you as you share, as you grow with me, as you follow and contribute your mind, so that I will know what you want me to say and what you want, so that we share our ideas together. Thank you. Again, remain blessed. Bye.